Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for dropping by. Just a quick video. Just had a watch arrive. The new to me. I think this has been around for a little while. It is the Citizen AW500-24E. Obviously you'll know that one off the top of your head. I'll show you in just a second. Usual Citizen box. Actually, I think the Citizen box I got last time opened from the top, but this one is from the side. Let's have a quick peek. It's a box within a box. There we go. Usual recycling. All good for recycling. Nice box. I think it slides out the side. Yes, it does. Oh. Instruction manual. As usual, you can see it's an Eco Drive one, so that's powered by light. I must admit I do like that. And international guarantee. I can't remember how long it is on here. I think it's 2 years on this one. And here we go, here's the watch. Just slide that out of the way. So, wrecking it. And there we go, the AW500-24E. I think they do this in this particular colour, the black, and a blue as well. The first thing I notice is a really deep dial. Look at that, that is well deep. It's a thick watch. Oh, I like this already. On this fabric strap, like the little retainers around the holes, that's great. As I say, it's an Eco Drive, so it's powered by light. Ticking nicely. It's got a low power indicator where it ticks for every 2 seconds if the power's low, so this must have had some charge in it at some point. I'm really looking forward to wearing this over the next week or so, and then I will get the review out. If you want to see that review, please subscribe, and I will get this out as soon as I can. Thanks very much, and see you on the next one. Bye.